The digital revolution is transforming every aspect of our lives. From the way we work to the products we create, digitalization is reshaping industries at an unprecedented pace. To thrive in this era of constant evolution, businesses must embrace innovation and adapt to new technologies. But with change comes resistance. That's why PLM implementation is key. Hey everyone, I'm Jamie, a change management consultant at Share PLM. In this video, we're going to discuss when and why your company needs a PLM. There are numerous reasons why a company might move forward with PLM implementation, but some of the most common challenges companies face are related to product development, collaboration, data management, and lifecycle tracking. Here are some scenarios where a company should consider implementing a PLM. If a company deals with complex products that require collaboration among multiple teams or departments, PLM can streamline the product development process by providing a centralized platform for managing product data, design iterations, and revisions. Companies with global operations often struggle with coordinating product development activities across different locations. PLM systems enable real-time collaboration and communication among geographically dispersed teams, ensuring everyone has access to the latest product information. Industries such as aerospace, automotive, and healthcare are subject to stringent regulatory requirements. PLM solutions can help companies ensure compliance with regulatory standards by maintaining thorough documentation, traceability, and audit trails throughout the product lifecycle. As companies expand their product lines and introduce more variants, managing product data and configurations becomes increasingly challenging. PLM software provides configuration management capabilities to handle product variations efficiently and ensure consistency across all variants. PLM systems often integrate with quality management tools to facilitate proactive quality control measures throughout the product lifecycle. This includes managing quality requirements, conducting inspections, tracking non-conformances, and implementing corrective actions. Collaborating with suppliers and partners is crucial for ensuring timely delivery of components and materials. PLM platforms offer features for managing supplier relationships, tracking supplier performance, and integrating supply chain data into the product development process. Companies relying on outdated or disparate systems for managing product data may experience inefficiencies and data silos. Implementing a unified PLM solution can modernize the product development infrastructure and improve data visibility and accessibility. For companies looking to incorporate customer feedback into product development, PLM systems can serve as a repository for collecting, analyzing, and prioritizing customer input. This ensures that customer requirements are considered throughout the product lifecycle. Ultimately, the decision to implement PLM should align with the company's strategic objectives, operational needs, and budget considerations. Despite the perception that PLM is exclusively for large corporations, in today's fast-paced world, even small and agile companies can benefit from it. However, before moving forward with your PLM implementation, it's essential to conduct a thorough evaluation of existing processes and technology infrastructure to determine the potential benefits and ROI of implementing PLM. If you want help evaluating your company, contact us at shareplm.com/contact. Once the decision to implement PLM has been made, the focus shifts to execution. The first thing you need to do is invest in your people. People resist change for 3 reasons. They don't get it, they don't like it, and they don't like you. Be sure the people involved understand the why behind the decision to switch to a PLM system, what their role within the system is, and how they fit into the bigger picture. This is important because it helps people get the change. Then, it's important to get people to like it, or at least not dislike it. Defining use cases for different roles and curating the training material for each one will be more efficient in the long run. As people are equipped with the knowledge and skills they'll need to carry out tasks in the system. This helps people understand the system and how to better understand the system's logic. Secondly, you need to establish a robust communication strategy. Effective communication ensures that all stakeholders are aligned with the PLM initiative, understand its significance, and are prepared for the upcoming changes. By fostering transparent communication channels, organizations can mitigate resistance and foster a culture of collaboration. If people don't feel like they're part of the change, they won't like it and they won't follow you. Finally, I recommend developing a knowledge base. This entails documenting processes, best practices, and guidelines related to PLM implementation and usage. A well-curated knowledge base serves as a valuable resource for employees, providing them with the necessary information to navigate the PLM system efficiently and effectively. These strategic efforts not only facilitate smooth adoption, but also foster a culture of continuous improvement, positioning companies for long-term success in today's dynamic business landscape. Whether you're managing complex products, experiencing growth, or facing compliance challenges, PLM can be the solution you need. Check out shareplm.com to see how PLM can transform your business.